Hey guys, today we're going to be working with 5 chords in open position. Let's not waste any time. Let's get into the chords you're going to need. Okay guys, the chords you're going to need are going to be an A. You're going to need an E, an F sharp minor, a D, and a G. And your strum pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, up. And it's going to be in a 3/4 feel, so it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Once you get that 3/4 feel down, guys, it kind of locks you in. It really does much more than what 4/4 count does. So let's talk about how we're going to break this song down. There is actually what I'm going to consider to be 3 different main licks in this song. We're going to refer to them as full lick, half lick, and ascending lick. So the half lick is going to be like this. And all that lick is, guys, is take your D chord right here and lift up your middle finger. And I've got some tab up here for you. And you're going to hit open on 4, then open on 1, and then you're going to be at 3 on 2. So that is the half lick. What is the full lick? The full lick is this. So what is that lick? There's 2 different ways you can play this. The tablature I've got up here for you will show you that all you're doing is you're using your index finger and you're going to be on 2 of 2. Then you're going to go to 3 on 2 and 5 on 2 and then back to 2 on 2 and then 2 on 3. So it's going to be like this. And there's a slight delay. So basically, if you take a look at the difference between the half lick that I called and the full lick, which is what we're on, instead of doing this 4 times, you're only going to do it 3 times, and then you're going to delay for a second, and you're going to go. Now, if it's easier for you, you can play that lick by going 2 on 2, 3 on 2, open on 1, back to 2 on 2, and then 2 on 3. So it sounds like this. When we get into the song, I won't play that lick because I'm just trying to teach you guys the basics of the song. I'm going to yell out or tell you exactly what lick you're going to play in what positions and where. All right, so lick number 3, which is the one I call the ascending lick, is like this. What that is, you're going to play the main lick that we've been playing all the time, the exact same way. The next lick, you're going to put down your middle finger, so you're forming your D. Then you're going to put your ring finger down, doing your sus4. Then you're going to stretch your pinky clear out here to 5, and you're going to go. So it sounds like this. The only lick that you do is on the full lick, and that's all. All the rest of them, they stand as they are. Typically, you're going to use the half lick in the middle of the verse. You are going to use the full lick in the intros and the instrumentals, and then you're going to use the ascending lick right before you go up to a chorus. All right, let's talk about what we're going to do in the intro. The intro is going to be an A to an E to an F sharp minor to a D, an A to an E to a D, and the half lick. Then you're going to repeat A, D, full lick. You had one line there where you didn't do a lick at all, and then you had another line where you did the half lick, and then the final line that you did right before the verse starts is actually going to be the full lick. Now we're up to the verse, and the chord progression is going to be A, E, F sharp minor, D, A, E, D, and the full lick. Now you're going to go A, E, F sharp minor, D, A, E, D, ascending lick. So in this case, you're actually doing the full lick halfway through the verse, and then you're going to do the ascending lick at the end of the verse because that's leading into the chorus. All right, since we've already gone through the intro, let's go ahead and let's start at the top of the verse, and let's hear how it sounds. Train, roll on down the line. Won't you please take me far away, full lick. Now I feel the wind blow outside my door. Means I'm leaving my woman at home. Ascending lick. Now we're into the chorus, and the chorus progression is going to be A to G, D, A, E, half lick. Now I do need to tell you that the very first chorus is the shortest one of them all. After that, they're going to start doing 4 lines. Now we're up to the next verse, and then you're going to go back into another chorus. And again, your chorus is going to be like this, but this time it's going to be 4 lines. Tuesday gone with the wind. Tuesday's gone with the wind. So you're going to repeat that A-G-D 3 times. Tuesday's gone with the wind. Last line ending with a half lick. My baby's E with the wind. Now we're up to some long solo sections, and the solo sections are going to be as follows. You're going to do an A, E, F sharp minor, D, A, E, F sharp minor, G. And that's going to be twice through. Then you're going to go into another section. There's no lick at the end of that one. You're going to go into another section, which is going to be A, G, D. And you're going to do A, G, D 3 times. And then you're going to do A, E, D, half lick. And we're still soloing. Now you're going to go to a section where you're going to go A to an E, F sharp minor, D, A, E to a D and full lick. All right, we're up to the final verse, and there's a little bit of difference in the final verse. The final verse is going to go like this. You're going to have the same progression, and you're going to have a full lick after the second line, but the difference is on the very last line before you go into the final chorus, you're only going to do the half lick again. So this one's all half licks. No full lick, no ascending lick. It's not consistent, I know, but that's exactly what they do. From there, they go into the chorus one more time, and they just sit there on the A, E, and D over and over at the very end until everything fades out until nothing. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying my lessons, and I hope you enjoyed that lesson. If so, give me a like down below. It really, really helps my channel. But that's all I have for you today. God bless, and don't forget, practice what you need to so you can play what you want to. Take care.